Good morning, Shashwat. Good morning, Mr. Shyam Agrawal. So only 9 of you have joined out of. Good morning, beta. We will start the class within 5 minutes. So by the time you can ask your doubts in the last question or in the previous topic, arrays and functions. In case you are having doubt, you can ask one by one, please. Yes. Athar Pratap Singh, any doubt, beta? Any question you want to ask? Ansh, Ansh Chaudhary, no doubt. Jha Sahab, okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, beta?
So not just now.
And now one more thing. Today you will not get a attendance form for the filling. Today I am marking you on the basis of Google Meet. If you will not attend the class for more than 20-25 minutes, I will mark you absent. Everything I am recording.
Yes, sir.
So now in the last program I have given a question कि enter a sentence, right? My last question was enter a sentence and arrange all the words in alphabetical order, right? So whenever you are getting a question, please pay attention.
Yes, sir.
Aditya Kasaudam, please pay attention. Whenever you are getting a question in which you are supposed to arrange
Yes,
the
sir.
strings in alphabetical order, इसका मतलब right what happened? इसका this means कि we are supposed to arrange alphabet wise, means we are supposed to use compare to method, and if you are comparing according to the length, that is wrong, that would be wrong. Is that clear? So in the
Sir,
previous
but in the
question,
question it was written.
बच्चों, uh, we were supposed to extract the words from the string, and while extracting we are supposed to store in a string array, right? After that we are supposed to arrange that particular whole array, then we need to print it. Am I clear the question? Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Jha Sahab, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Raghav,
No, sir.
any confusion in the question, beta?
Sir, no doubt.
Shashwat Agrawal, question is
No,
clear?
sir.
Okay. And Divyansh Yadav? Divyansh?
No, sir.
Okay. Pratyash Gupta, are you there? Pratyaksh?
Yes, sir.
Beta, your writing is very poor. You have sent around
Yes, sir.
eight image, and I was not able to understand what you have sent. So please try to write in better language, better writing. Is that clear? And send all the work, Pratyaksh, again.
Yes, sir.
Again, okay, in neat and clean writing. Yashi Srivastav,
Yes, sir.
Yashi, Yashi Srivastav, Devansh Gupta. Beta, yes, Yashi, is there any problem in the mic? You are not audible actually. Okay, listen, Yashi and Devansh, you people are not sending your work, including the words. From 10th F, only very few students are sending work. So please send your all the work properly on my mail ID, and that everybody knows. Whatever program we people are doing in a class, you'll have to copy those things in your notebook, and whatever homework I am giving, you need to try. Good morning, Sarmishta. Please pay attention, everyone. If you are not sending your work, Shyam Agrawal, you are also not sending. Good morning, beta. Please send your work on time. This is my request. Otherwise, I will penalize you while giving you the grades. You will not get grades on your submission of assignments. So this is the only assignment. We are not giving, so many programs. We are giving only one or two, maximum two programs. Maximum two programs we are doing in a class. And if you are not doing those things in your notebook, then you are creating problem for yourself. So please don't do this. Do all the work whatever we are doing in the class. So now let me show you the program, the last one, the homework I will show you, because very few of you understand that last question. So I am going to share my screen. Only 30 of you out of 50 students have joined till now. So now I am going to start because time is already over. It's 11:05 and this time we have to start. So I am going to share my screen. Please pay attention. Just a second. You will get my screen on your. Okay, my screen is visible, everyone? Now check again.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now this is coming now, I think. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some few things I have already written for this. One word, one function I have mentioned here. Just a minute. Okay, so one function I have already written, void sort word. So in this we will extract the word and then we will arrange. For arranging we can take one more word. So the first word here we will extract, and now one more method we are using for sorting, and this will sort the array. Now in the main function we are simply inputting a text like txt, enter any sentence. After that we are supposed to should I write the should I use the separate method for extraction, or should I skip this? Tell me one thing. Jayesh?
Sir, you should use another method
Okay.
for extract. Yes, sir, we can use another method because then it will be easier for us to understand.
Okay. So here we are receiving this. So now first of all, after inputting sentence, we are supposed to call this method extract, and then we are sending this, right? Now come to this part. So in this part what we are supposed to do, we are first of all, see, just take a loop that will start from 0 to less than this is the basic thing. And before this, what is the main mistake you people have done? You people have not added the additional blank. This is very, very important because we are going to extract the word, and then after we need some variable. Now, so in this why we will extract the word. So this what condition we will use here? Text dot char at I not equals to blank. For putting this, always use the single quotation mark, and then right, and after that what you are supposed to do, see, now we are supposed to store each and every word of the string in a separate array. So what would be the size? So for size, what you can do, see, we can count the number of blanks also, or we can do the separate thing. What we can do, we can create maximum length of size. We are creating another array. Any doubt here? Any question? You can ask beta. So why we are creating the maximum size? See, we are having two ways. First, just count the number of blanks. For that you need to write at least 4-5 lines, and that also is not, that also is correct. Don't think that is wrong. That would be better, but that will increase the size, and in the boards we are having very limited time, 2 hours, right? So here I am not going to use that concept. If you want, you can use. So now after that,
Sir, but if we will use text,
pardon?
sir, but if we will use text dot length, sir, if we will use text dot length, so then we will get zeros in our array.
Pardon? Not getting this. Beta, see, the text we have already taken. Suppose you have entered my name is Rajkumar Singh. So around 50 words are there, 50 letters. So 50 letters, you are getting the length array, but we are not using all 50.
Sir,
See,
but if we will,
tell.
yes, sir, so we will get zeros in the.
No. See, for that we will use a counter, na beta.
Yes, sir.
Please see here what I am going to use. So word of
Okay, sir.
C plus plus. So this will be your word length. So how many words you are storing in C? That is your C, right? So now
Yes, sir.
from this part, see, from this part we are simply extracting a word in Y and storing in a index number 0. Then next time the index number would be 1, then 2, then 3. So ultimately after this outer loop, the value of C would be the number of words, right? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now there are so many ways. This is one of them, right? So don't think whatever sir is telling only that is a solution. No, there are so many. After that we are supposed to call a method sort, in which we are passing the array plus the size also. Any confusion till here? Now see, here we will receive one more parameter, that is a size, right? And now here you are supposed to put working of sorting. For that we need a loop that will start from 0 to less than the size, that is n here. Then after, the second loop will start from 0 to n minus 1 minus I. That is up to you. If you want to skip the minus I, you can skip, right? After that we are supposed to use the compare to method. Why? Because we are going to arrange alphabetical voice, not according to their length. Is that clear? After that, the
Yes, sir.
basic working I have shown you here.
Sir, but in the question it was written that we have to arrange in the ascending order.
Beta, ascending order, bilkul absolutely correct. Whenever you are getting the thing like you are supposed to arrange the string in ascending order, so always that means we are arranging alphabet wise, okay, not according to their length. Because if you
Okay, sir.
in the question if it is not mentioned, then there is no need to put a condition on length, okay. That's very, very important.
Okay, sir.
If it is written ki arrange ascending order, that means alphabetical order, ascending order. That's a very common thing in a string case, that you will have to understand. After that, now if you want to print, see now here only we are supposed to print the result. So for printing that, how the result you will get, see here on the same line, but while printing we will give a single two spaces we can give. After that, now come to this dd dot extract is over. Now see the execution. I hope the logic is clear, everybody. This is still compiling. So now cannot find symbol string. The spelling is wrong, no issue. String, right? Now again we are compiling. See, after doing any correction in the program, again and again you need to compile. That's very, very important thing. Now it's still compiling. After that we will execute. So now there is no error. So now the execution is there. See, so what I am writing here, my name is Amit Kumar Singh, right? So now see, all the words of the string is coming in the ascending order. So now Amit is coming first, then is, then Kumar, then my, then name, then S. I hope this one is clear. Any doubt here? Bachcho?
No, sir.
Okay. So, should I post this program in the GCR for your reference? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please, after that, from the GCR only, you need to copy this. Now the next program which we are going to discuss is okay. So now any question, any particular question you wanted to do, you can ask and tell me. No? Okay. So the next question which we are going to,
So that right side, the right side.
what right side?
So the question in which we have to shift the slide. So the prime numbers to the right side.
But that already I have told. Who is asking this? Aditya. बेटा वो तो बता चुके हैं. Again, should I discuss?
So you said, sir, if you wanted to revise.
बेटा revision we will start from the next week.
Revise, then you said.
बेटा आदित्य, we will revise from the next week, है ना?
Okay, sir. So then.
I will discuss this program in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. So now one more program we are going to discuss. My screen is visible? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes, sir.
what we are doing, see, we are inputting some names, their age also, and their roll number. Please try to understand the question first, then only you can try, otherwise you can't. Suppose you have entered the name Vijay, age 20, roll number 5. Ajay, age is like 15, roll number is 1, and the third is Jay, age is 17, roll number is 2. So what we are supposed to do? Please write down a question. Write a function to enter name, age and roll number of n students. Everybody please write down. We are supposed to enter name, age and roll number of n students. Then we are supposed to arrange all the information of student in descending order of their age. Just print all the record of student in descending order of their age. Right? Written everybody? Now, so what will happen? See, the please note down the input and output also. Suppose this is the input in which the name of student is Vijay, age is 20, then 5, then Ajay 15, 1, Jay 17, 20. So the first record will be this one. After this, what you will get? You will get this one. Getting a point? Then the third record would be the whole thing, Ajay and his age, then his roll number. Am I clear everybody? Please note down the input and output. So first you will get the first record, then you will get third, then you will get the second one, that is this. That's very, very important everyone. This type of question you can get in the boards also, and this is very easy program, I am telling you. So while swapping the age, at the same time you need to swap. Yes, any query? Any query बच्चों? Should I stop sharing my screen? So please note down carefully the input and output. So according to the age only, you are supposed to check condition. And first of all, whoever age is greater, that record will come. The whole thing means name, age and his roll number. Then the next would be Jay, then his age, then his roll number. Then the third would be Ajay and his age, that is 15 and roll number 1. So here the condition, main condition we are putting on the age. That's very, very important. Do it fast. Everybody has to try this question. Rohan Jain, the question is beta, enter name, age and roll number. I am typing name, age and roll number of n students and arrange all the details according to their age in descending order. Okay, so you need to print all the details of a student, including his name, name, age and his roll number. Is it okay, everyone? Saksham Srivastav, please try the question. It's already there in the chat box. I have mentioned using function. Enter name, age and roll number of n students and arrange all the details according to their age in descending order. After that, print all the details of students. Please pay attention here. Ayush Rathod, do it fast. Ansh, Archita Vash, Archita Singh, sorry. Ayush Agrawal, try. Devansh, Divyansh. Harsh Verma, I have Kinjal Gupta, beta. Last time you have joined Siddh Sigatia and Kinjal Gupta. Both of you. Last time you have joined the Google Meet for 4 minutes. That's why I have marked you absent in the last class. So if you are joining for this much of time, I will always mark you absent. So please be on time and be there in the Google Meet.
So we have to use function of
Yes, of your choice you can use. One function you can use, beta Ayush. Okay? Prajwal Sahu, please try. Prakhar Kumar, Pratyaksh, Pulkit, Raghav, Vandit,
yes sir.
please try बच्चे. Everybody has to try.
Yes.
Only 44 students have joined the school meeting out of 50. Shivam Singh, please try. Sharmishta, Vishwesh, beta, are you getting the question? Okay, your voice is coming very low, beta. Sushant Singh, Sushant, beta, should I mark you absent? Sushant, see, those who are not responding, they also will be marked absent. Sushant, Siddh Sigatia, Siddh, Siddh Sigatia, are you there? Beta Siddh Sigatia, if you will not respond, I will mark you absent. This is not the way. Siddh, okay, don't worry, I will mark you absent today. Do it fast, बच्चों. Anybody is trying? Please try fast.
Yes sir.
Please try, बच्चों. You can post your program in GCR as well as you can WhatsApp me also. Even you can post in the GCR also. बच्चों try fast. And after finishing your program, please let me know whether you have done or not. So Jayesh, you have posted in chat box, right?
I posted in the chat box.
Okay, let me check. So वेरी गुड, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट बच्चे. वेल डन बच्चे, वेरी गुड,
Thank you.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. And please don't copy and paste. Everybody has to try his or her logic. Then only you will understand. Come on, fast. Ayush, Ansh Chaudhary, Kasaudan, Divyansh, Vishwesh, शाश्वत अग्रवाल, देवांश गुप्ता. बेटा करो, क्लास में तो आप बहुत दिखाते थे, यहाँ भी दिखाइए.
From the GCR.
ओके, वेल डन, आई लाइक इट.
Sir, I have posted it in the GCR.
It's not there. Kasaudan is
Sir, I have done it, sir.
okay. Just come, must be coming. You have posted in the comments or separate? See, whenever you are posting in the TR, always try to create a post.
Sir, on the GCR, sir.
No, it's okay. It's
Sir,
coming,
separate,
beta.
sir, post.
It's coming. Sometime
Yes,
in
sir.
my computer, not a new computer, so sometime it takes time, है ना? So give me some time. Coming. Rest of you please continue and keep posting in the chat box also. See, just I wanted to see the main thing, the main function, where you are sorting the things. The input everybody knows, even you know the calling also. But the thing is, you need to arrange in descending order according to their age.
In the chat box also.
Who has posted in chat box?
Sir, Aditya.
हाँ,
Sir, Aditya.
Kasaudan Sahab, shift. Very good. I like it. Age. Absolutely correct, beta. Well done. Very good.
Thank you.
On my GCR it still is coming, but I have checked here in the chat box. Sometime it takes time actually. Okay, rest of you. Ayush,
Yes, sir, I'm right.
okay. Just post in the chat box. Yes, Kasaudan, I got it. Very good. Kasaudan? Aditya, Kasaudan.
Yes, sir.
Beta, while printing the result, always
Yes, sir.
print in a single line, right? Name of file, \t or give some space, followed by age, roll number, like this. Okay? Instead of using
On the same line only, sir.
no, that is correct, but there won't be space in between, so you will be confused. So better to use a single statement instead of four statements. That's why the same I am telling, right? Who else? Come on. Aryan Singh is there? No Aryan Singh. Let me check. Mr. Aryan Singh. Aryan Singh is absent as usual. Shashwat Singh is absent. Yeah, Shashwat, you are there, but I will see your timing, at what time you have joined. And Siddhi Sigatia, you also, because you have not responded at all. I am not going to mark you present. See, whenever you are joining the class, join on time, because the joining time is very, very important. If you are joining at 9:30 and you are thinking the teacher is going to mark you present, so that is not possible, beta. And in Google Meet there are so many things through which we can record your joining timing and left timing, at what time you people are leaving the meeting. So don't think, you cannot make fool us, because everything we are recording, we are doing everything. Nobody can make fool of us. Shashwat Singh, at what time did you join the meeting?
7:12.
Huh?
11:12.
Okay. Beta, please be present in the class, right? And try to solve the problem also. Okay?
Yes, sir. Fine now.
Thank you. See, you people all are very good, but still one or two of you are, creating problem for yourself. Ayush Agrawal, wait, I am checking your program. Ayush, correct. Absolutely correct, beta. Very good.
Fine.
Well done. Somebody else? See, these programs you have to do in your notebook till here. Yes, who is making noise? Jayesh, mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, so we are moving to the next question now. Harsh Verma has left the meeting. Okay, so the next question, please write down everyone. I am writing in the chat box also. Now, my question is, write a function to enter n number of values of double type and do the round off on each value. So you need to perform the round off working on each value and print the resultant array. Getting my point, everyone? What we are supposed to do? Now see, I am going to share.
Are we supposed to use the math library or not?
No, without math.ceil and math.floor method. This is important. You are not supposed to use math.ceil and math.floor, even math.round method. That's very, very important. Without using any inbuilt method, you are supposed to perform the rounding working on each and every value. And now in this program, we are supposed to enter values of double type. So what type of array is required, Ayush Agrawal? Ayush.
Double.
Obviously double. Then only we can enter the decimal values, na beta. Vishwesh Tiwari, are you getting the question? Please note down this question and try. The question I have mentioned in the chat box. And do not leave the meeting until I am not saying leave the meeting, right? I am going to share my screen. There I will tell you the small, I will give you the small hint. My screen is visible? बच्चे, so in case of 5.5, the answer would be 6.0. In case of 5.4, the answer would be 5.0, right? And in case of 5.7, then also the answer will be 6.0. So how you are getting this part? See, first of all, we are inputting a double type value. I am just discussing the logic. Suppose you have entered 5.5. So first of all, we will extract the whole part and the fractional part separately. So for that we need to do the casting. So int a equals to, using this you can easily get it. And now for the fractional part, use other variable of double type, like double f or any variable, k minus a. So what you will get? You will get 0.5 something. So if this part is greater than equals to 0.5, then add 1 in a, otherwise store this in a double type variable. You will get 5.0 or 6.0. This is the simple logic which we have discussed in class 9th also. Please, you will have to implement this logic. I hope this logic is clear, everybody. Can I stop sharing my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I have done that. Okay, so time is already up, bachcho. So for today's, this is the only homework. 44 are present in today's class, right? So this is the homework. You need to mail it by tomorrow morning 9 a.m. After that I cannot see. Is that clear? Tomorrow this program we will discuss, then 2 more programs. So please try this program, and from the next week we will start revising, because from the very 1st October your exams are going to start, right? In case those who are having doubt, they can wait. Rest of you can leave. The class is over now. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, बच्चों.
So Google Form.